chew. How is that? A treat that doesn't take so long to chew. Pretend to howl at the moon. Pretend to howl at the moon. Howl at the moon. Pretend to howl at the moon. Come on, howl at the moon. Woo. Woo. Come on, woo.
Does he he doesn't howl, does he?
No, he absolutely will not howl.
That is too funny.
Pretend to howl at the moon. Pretend to howl at the moon. Howl at the moon. Ow! Good boy. Holler. Look, he's chewing on his own.
Oh,
Chewing on his own.
he wants more. Oh, he is humongous.
Howl at the moon.
He's so good.
Howl at the moon. Ow! Goofbag. What a goofbag.
Hey, Riley. Hey, sweetheart. He's so cute. You are so cute.
You hear him saying it? He's kind of saying
I hear something.
Good enough. You're being cute is enough.
How did you teach him to do that?
He did it on his own. I was trying to get him to howl, and he just started imitating me by throwing his head back, because that's what I was doing.
Riley and Tweefy.
Huh?
Riley and Tweefy.